respected judges, parents, and my dear friends, good afternoon. Our country was built on the principles of the freedom of religion, freedom of speech, and the freedom to worship. As a nation of free speech, our country was engaged in constructive debates on our basic rights. There are very few issues in American society that engender vigorous and heated public debate than allowing prayer in public schools. I am very fortunate and blessed to be born in a Catholic family, and I strongly believe that prayer is very relevant in the lives of each one of us children and in the society as a whole. It is to be remembered that religious freedom is a pivotal right that attracted thousands of pilgrims centuries ago and over 100 million immigrants later on and even today to this country. So any restriction or even an attempt to curtail one's freedom to pray, be it at school or elsewhere, negates the very basis for the formation of this nation. Until a few decades ago, Americans enjoyed the freedom to pray in every way, every time, and everywhere, including at schools. But a controversial Supreme Court decision on Angel versus Vitale in 1962 has changed that situation. Now, let's take a look at the statistics of what happened to our country after that decision. We had a six-fold increase in violent crime. Births to single mothers increased five-fold. The teenage suicide rate tripled, and the SAT scores dropped 80 points. This clearly shows that the moral foundation, as envisioned by our founding fathers, is drifting towards erosion. Schools are the training ground for one to develop a strong moral character. Prayer openly or in silence is a form of expression which conveys their love of God. This allows for students of different faiths to band together in solidarity and tolerance, thus enriching and enlightening the values taught by the school system. We students are the future of this nation, future citizens who are growing in the faith and who understand the value of prayer are key to inculcate a sense of unity, peace, patriotism, and respect to our fellow human beings. We cannot ignore the fact that America is slowly drifting into a divisive nation. Bringing God back into our lives is the only means to reverse this trend and bring back our glorious past. A recent Gallup survey revealed that 61% of Americans strongly believe in school prayers. A simple minute of a prayer or even a meditation neither excludes nor does it offend any child. As a student of a Catholic school, I start my day with a prayer, and it has helped me to make the right decisions, the good choices, and be a better friend, daughter, and sister. Thank you all.